Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is June 1st. Can't believe it's June already, but we do have things starting off a little lower as far as grains. Corn down 1/2 cent, beans down 4 1/4. Wheat, though, climbing back right at the end of the overnight session, up a penny. Can we see a little strength today, or will we see this selling continue? It's a new month. Typically, you're going to hear guys talking new month, new money. Will that really matter, or does that mean, well, new shorts to be had? So we'll see how things go. Certainly, direction has been lower. Focus will be on, planning progress. So for beans, they're expecting to see 73% complete versus 61% a week ago. The 5-year average is sitting right around 70%, so still staying pretty well in line with that 5-year average for beans. Corn planting around 96%, but looking for good to excellent ratings to maybe improve 1 to 2% from last week. So 75 to 76% good to excellent. So keep an eye on that later on this afternoon. Something else, though, that we've got to also pay attention to. For the last few weeks, we've seen this dollar strengthening with this concern over Greece's debt and that affecting the euro. Here we are playing that game once again today. There was a self-imposed deadline from Greece saying that they're going to have some kind of a settlement by Sunday, so by yesterday, and certainly nothing was done. So the U.S. dollar rallying with the euro setting back right now. Are we going to see this become this money flow issue once again with the dollar going up, commodities setting back? We've done this over the last several weeks. We're setting up today to start off June with that same type of mentality. So watch that dollar. Watch what's going on with the euro and the situation we have at hand and how that will affect things. Also, a lot of chatter out there about corn and what we're looking at here as far as ethanol. We did see some ethanol numbers released there on Friday. There's also talks that Tom Vilsack now going to be investing up to $100 million in grant money to put in and to continue to put in some higher blends here for ethanol. So at the pumps, they're going to be putting in E15 to E85 pumps to really try to promote the ethanol thing as well. But EPA coming out with those numbers there on Friday, so maybe finding some backlash from that as well. Looking at livestock, we did see cash cattle trade a little lower late last week, 159 to 160 in Kansas. Likely going to see maybe some selling attitude here for the open this morning. Most of that is going to be looked at as far as box beef. Box beef sharply lower Thursday into Friday, and then once again Friday finishing quite a bit lower. Choice down 426, select down 291. Once again getting hit real hard. Will we see that continue? And if so, how will that affect futures here at this point? Hogs, cash pork climbing again last week, looking to be strong. So looking for any kind of a setback right now for hogs, probably going to be supported. Cutout values up to 17 as well. So could see some support here on pullbacks yet for the hogs. Looking at some of these other markets right now, stock market up 73 points, crude down 45, the dollar up 20 cents right now with the euro lower. Gold and silver relatively quiet. So we'll see how that plays into the market here today. Certainly stay in tune with us. Give us a call. If you have questions, you can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.